Public toilets in Japan are known for their sophisticated features compared to other countries. Most public toilets in Japan is equipped with flush, automatic toilet lid, heated seat, blow dryer, automatic bidet to the sink above the toilet. Now, these public toilets will be upgraded by replacing these physical buttons with hologram buttons. A Japanese company called Murakami Corporation is considering making a toilet with hologram button for more hygienic purposes. Murakami Corporation's partnered up with Parity Innovations to produce holographic panels that float into the air. The holographic panels use an infrared sensor to detect finger movement. When the sensor detects movement from the user, the features being touched will automatically activate. Actually, this technology is not limited to toilets. Holographic panels can also be used in other public facilities such as ATM machines, elevators, and so on. Murakami Corporation hopes that the productions of these holographic panels can be mass-produced in 2022, cited from Uber Gizmo. Japan has indeed become one of the countries where many technologies innovations have emerged. Even in 2020, Japan was named the #1 country with the best technology expertise in the world by US News. Many electronic and robot technologies were born and developed in Japan, including cell phone cameras, laptops, electronic televisions, bullet trains, hydrogen-fueled cars, including high-tech toilets.